Hey everyone, this is Katarina, and I'm going to show you how to use the easiest graphic design software that I've found, and I've used a lot of them. It's called Design Beast, and underneath this video there is a link to it. So let me show you some things that you can do with this. One-click background remover. We're going to go upload. I'm going to find an image that I want to remove the background of. With her, open. And there you go, background removed. Now let's say that for whatever reason, maybe you wanted to remove something else on here. You've got a brush here, you can change the size, and an eraser. So let's say I didn't like this part of her ear. Poof, done. Now let's say there's a part that I want to restore. Restore brush, go back, and it's back. And you can do, let's say, you wanted the background back, you just go, here we go, background. So it's that easy. You can save changes and you can download it, or you can cancel the changes and download it. But it's that easy to remove the background. And that's just one of the things we can do with this. Let me go back in and show you some other stuff. Dashboard. So let's say you wanted to edit a image. Click here, upload the image. Let's say it's this one. You can have auto smoothing, okay? Interesting. We're going to click here, and it's going to auto smooth. And then you can edit, you can crop, resize, rotate it, add effects, like you can add a different color scheme to this. So maybe this one, concentrate. Well, that looks good. I like it. If you didn't like it, you just go here and you can undo. But I like that. Then enhancement, magic enhancement. That looks good. Click OK. You can object aware crop, where you're going to get a cropped image of this. You can also do social media crop, which I think is actually pretty cool. Get cropped images. Okay, so as you can see, it cropped it to a different size, and these are all sizes that fit social media. So, pretty cool. Let's go back to the dashboard and see what else you can do with this. All right, all-in-one design and mockup engine. There are 10,000 templates. Whether you're making a Facebook ad, a Pinterest ad, a certificate, a book cover, a brochure, or an album cover, a banner set, mock-up landscape, doesn't matter, it's got a template for you. So let's say you want a banner set. So you go in here and let's find one that we like, and we're going to take this one. Now you can add in a logo automatically here. I don't have one, so I'm just going to skip this. And as you can see, it has all these different banner sizes on the right here. Okay, so we have a bulk text editor. Bulk text. And then I'm going to click here and say sale on baby text. Okay? And this is just point and click, whatever you want to change. And we're going to click bulk text. Okay. Sale on baby clothes, sale on baby clothes. It changed it on all of these, okay? And then here you can change this to baby store. If you don't like the font, click here. We can do pretty much anything you want here. So here, baby store, baby store, baby store, baby store, whatever you want. And if you didn't like the color, you want that to be black, just go in and change it. Now, let's say you don't like her. Go click there, then go here. And they have a ton of images you can use, copyright free. You can use it commercially, it's fine. Woman with baby. Okay. And let's say we wanted to use this one for some reason. Okay. So you put this here, click on it, remove the background. And then you just move her over wherever you want. Okay? Done. Now, oh yeah, good. All right, so there it is right there. Let's say we have this one. Do the same thing. The bulk text is great because it does let you change text and everything, but you will need to go ahead and just add that image for each one. Or you can do different images. Baby clothes. Let's see what it says. Oh, that's adorable. So got this here. Remove background. Cute. If this is not the way you want it to look, if it didn't take out the background the way you'd like, it's all right. Just go ahead, find a different one. There's plenty of things for you to use here. So cute baby. So adorable. And remove background. How cute is this? And then you would go and you can download. Okay. What else can we do with the software? You always go back to the dashboard to get to the tools, okay? Let's say you wanted to make logos. And this is really good, especially if you want like some extra income. Logo Factory, I'll do Cat's Bakery. Yummy treats for your kitty. Create logo. You can do graphical, initials, or signature. I'm going to do graphical. Proceed. And let's see what we've got here as far as niches. So food. Do we have pets in here somewhere? Okay, pets. There we go. Then we're going to create a logo. And oh, that's so cute. So it creates all these logos for you, and then you can load more. And look at how many cute, I would personally take this one if it was me. And you just download it, and that's it. Now, if you were doing this for clients, Look at how many different options you can give them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and it took you seconds to do this. Nice way to earn some extra income. Let's go back to the dashboard. You can do an animated ad builder. Say half-page ad. Again, you can add in your logo, just upload it. And I'm not going to do that right now. We're going to go here. You've got a bunch of different templates. Okay. And you would just click on it. You can change color. You can change font. Let's change the font to that. It's fine. Work from home on your phone. I definitely do not like the color. We're going to change that to red. And what else can we do here? I'm going to bold it. She's cute. But again, if you didn't want her, you can delete. You find images. Woman phone. Put her in. Move background. And I can just make her smaller. Okay. Oh, didn't like the way that turned out, so let's just go find somebody else. Try her. Bring her over here. Remove background. And I'm going to try removing the background again, see if it'll get some more of that away. Yeah, that's better. Or you can always go back. Undo, 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 undo. And we can always go back to this original girl. You just play around with it until you find something that works, that looks good, that makes you happy. If you wanted this background taken care of here, I want it to be black, I could do it like that. Oh, that looks good. This here, you can upload your own image to put there instead. It's just drag and drop simple. So let's go back to animated. Let's go back to the dashboard. We're going to do 3D live motion photos. This is super cool. All right, so click here. Upload image. Okay, open. I'm going to do the crop. Actually, I'm going to do free crop. So I want it to be a little bigger. Proceed. All right, so what this is going to do is it's going to allow you to put some motion into any picture you want. So what you do is you do pinpoints, okay? So if I want the moon to stay still, which I do, I'm going to put a lot of pinpoints around it. And then you take these arrows and you show the way you want the motion in this picture to go. So just play around with this until you get what you want. But I'm just going to do a quick demo here. Click. Okay, it's kind of cool, right? Now, in addition to that, you can add text if you want. I'm going to say moon coin. And I'll bring this up. And then I'm going to, where is it? Add more effects. Now, here's what I really like. Isn't that cool? And there's just so many things you can do with the software. And as you say, you don't need to be a graphic designer to use it. Complete beginners can use this. Magic object remover, that is, remember how we took the background away? This will take away an object in a photo that you don't want. Pixel perfect is, let me show you. You upload an image that's, say, a little fuzzy. Find a, let's say, no, this one. Open. It's going to convert it to an SVG, and it's going to clarify things a bit more. See? You're going to be able to work with it a little bit better with this. Dashboard. What else can I show you here? If you have videos, you can resize them with this one. That's pretty easy. I think I showed you the animated ad builder. Yes. Go there. Again, you can put in your logo. Skip. Pick what you want. And I do not like this woman, so we're going to go here. Pretty girl. Let's take her. Let's put her here. Let's remove the background. And let's move her over a little bit. And then again, click, change headlines, change images, change text. It's point and click simple. All right, I hope that was informative. This is the easiest software I found. As you can see, there's occasionally times where you just have to play around with it if an image is not giving you what you want. But on the other hand, like the example where it wasn't giving us the right background image, you could just go into the background image editor, edit out the picture the way you want, use those little edit tools, and then bring it back into where you want it to be. Really, really simple, and this is the one that I use and I recommend. I hope you're having a great day. Click the link below.